Alright guys, here's the video for my 2003 mini sausage set. We will check the time here. It's January 21st and we'll let this roll over here. 7:10 p.m. We'll go over to the raffle and type live. And we have January 21st at 7:10 p.m. Here's our list of 18 names. There we go. We have Jacob on the bottom and Jacob on top. 18 entries, January 21st at 7:10 p.m. Gonna roll 2 dice. Has to be 5 or higher. There's 5. All right, here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, and last and final. Good luck. It is Ryan. Spot 15 is your winner. So Ryan, please get with me to make your selection, or actually collect, because that was a winner take all, of course. There's our verification code, our timestamp, once again, January 21st at 7:10 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.